to another section of today's class, and today we are going to learn how to unlock our workspace. The reason why we are unlocking our workspace is so that we can change the color and other effects on the background. We have other ways we can make changes to our background without unlocking it, but then you learn it as we go on our journey. So if you look at our layer here, you can see that the background is locked. So how do we unlock it? So other versions, you can click on it once, like my own, then the padlock will vanish. Others, you have to double click it before it will go. Either way, it works. So now, after unlocking it, now you can make changes. So let's see. You see, when it was locked, you look at this side. While it is locked, here the layers here is only 1, 2, 3 that is working now, or that is visible. Okay, let's unlock it and see. If you unlock it, you can see that this one is now active, this one is now active. Have you seen it? Okay, so in our next lesson we will learn how we are going to use the options here whilst after unlocking our background. See you there. Bye bye.